Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing in Minnesota, and today I'm going to talk about organizing your bathroom backstock. So this time of year, I love to do just a kind of an inventory of what's in the bathroom. I do this for myself, I do this for my kids' bathrooms. It's really nice to just figure out what's in there, what we're using, what we're not using, and kind of categorize everything and get a really good idea of those bathroom products. And when I say bathroom products, I mean like cosmetics, shampoos, conditioners, body washes, Epsom salts, all those kinds of things that just kind of end up kind of cluttering the bathroom. This is a great time to go through them. So I want you to dedicate, maybe 15, 20 minutes to a bathroom and really pull everything out of there and figure out, of all these products, which ones do I actually use? Which ones did I not like? And see if there's any that are donatable. Also, most products do have an expiration date on them. It's normally like a 12 and like a little symbol. So that means 12 months from when you open it. So sometimes products are no longer good after, a year after you've opened them and you haven't used them. So check your expiration dates, figure out what you actually use, do a nice purge, get rid of those things that you no longer use, and then categorize them by type. That can really help, all your shampoos, all your body washes, all your cosmetics, extra backstock, makeup products, things of that sort. Get them contained and get them categorized. That way, when it's time to refill, it's time to look for another one, you know exactly where it is, and you can actually use up the backstock that you have. So let me know if you have any questions about bathroom organizing. I'd be happy to answer them in the comments, and we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.